Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this reading and gaming pillow that this brand sent to me for this video, which I think it is really cool. So it's a reading, working, gaming pillow. It's 25 inches wide, as you can see over here. It is really firm. This is not going to be one of those like memory foams or things like that. This is a really firm one, but it's also give you a really nice support for your elbows because it's also, I want to say like a cushion, but also firm at the same time. So this one could be really good for a couple of things. Let me show you. So when you are gaming, let's sample. So I'm gaming right here. If I'm gaming on my gaming console over there, I'm comfy, I'm comfortable, but sometimes my elbows, they have no place to rest. And even if I'm playing like FPS games and kind of like get in a more concentrated position or something like that, I'm sure that you always do that as well. For FPS games, I kind of like lean forward and things like that. So I gotta have like a position like this one, you know, like to my elbows have a place to rest and concentrate and be more focused. So that is number one for gaming. And I have this sofa over here, but if you're in your bed, for example, or you're a bigger sofa in your living room, you can put this one just like this and have a place for your Nintendo Switch, for example, just like gaming here and just making sure that you have a really good place for that. More than anything, your elbows are gonna actually say thank you to you because this is a really place for your elbows to just rest over here and read, for example, use your tablet, use your pad, your iPad or something like that. Also, you can put your laptop in here and make of this one to be a working desk because you can use your mouse in this platform, this kind of like fabric. You can roll your mouse or you can use the mouse with the laser because it's super smooth. So you can put your laptop here and make sure that you have a place to work as well. Or if not, of course, you can just like go back to this position and just reading with a nice book. You don't have to go all electronic and technological. You can also have a real book and use it. Also, right here on the sides, you're gonna find not one, just right here is going to be one. I think the other one was right here on the other side, same side, just right here. Let me show you. So you have the other one and you had even a bigger pocket, which was, oh, this thing is big. This one right here that you can put, for example, your water bottle or your tumbler or something like that and make sure you have a place for that as well. So I gotta say that this one, as you can see it over here, which by the way, this it comes with a zipper, so you can remove this fabric if you want. You can wash it. It is super breathable, so you're not gonna have any issues with like hot days or something like that. But I gotta say, super comfy. I like it. And for gaming and also like FPS games and gaming and chilling, this is really cool. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.